Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO A15s. Start by going into Play Store on both devices, tapping on the search bars and typing in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer. I already did that on OPPO because it was taking a lot of time, so I can open it right away. Choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now select Receive on OPPO and Send on an Android. After that, tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and send them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and click on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on OPPO, choosing Allow and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key over here and tap on Receive. And now, as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!